How to verify email on Snapchat. In today's quick guide, I'll show you how to verify your email on Snapchat, an essential step for account security, login recovery, and full access to support. First, open Snapchat. Here, tap on your Bitmoji icon at the top left corner. Now tap on the gear icon in the top right to open settings. Scroll to my account section and tap email. If your email isn't verified, it will appear in red. Now simply, if you want to verify your email, tap on verify email. Now Snapchat will send you a verification link. Open your email app, look at the mail from the Snapchat and hit the verify button. Just tap on confirm email. As you can see, the email address is verified. Now go back to Snapchat. Now once you go back to Snapchat, your email should now show as verified, removing the red warning. And that's it. Your email is now successfully verified. Hope this helped. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.